What I do to myself? Why do you even go back to this? What? I don't fucking know. Okay, let's just get this fanfic over with. God fucking damn it. Uh, as always, welcome back to the Blathering Night fanfic video. Chapter 2. Tears of Rain. Rachel got home. It took a while for the impact of her father coming back to soak in. You you misspelled you misspelled coming and sink. You put stoke, you spelled coming with two M's. It's one M. She was hot red with anger and sadness. Those are two separate emotions. He decided to feign in the garden with her teacher Inyasa. Because of course. Because of course. Because of course. Well, because why the fuck not? He wasn't a full cat demon like Raichu. He was also part dog demon. He's half I don't know, wolf demon, half human, I think. But dumbass, he's not. He's some form of canine demon. You dumbass. They both had fangs and sharp animal-like eyes. And in those eyes was a hint of love for Ray. It was fucking... God damn my life. Ray, Sean, he said. I've been waiting a long time for you. How did the battle go? What? My dad's father, he's back. Her face collapsed in her hands, and she nearly cried. How can he be back? He's dead. Again, been focusing on my much Inuyasha, so I could be completely off here. No, he's back. I don't know what to do. Maybe I could get a master of the Yakuza to kill him. What? Oh, and word of warning, Yakuza never comes into play once. Only mentioned, never put in action anywhere. Um, she had a tear roll down the cipher's sad cheeks. Her and Inuyasha both work for the Yakuza. Why? Had explained to me why Inuyasha of all people would work for the fucking Yakuza. And she thought he might be able to frame her dad. They're not cops. I don't know if that be allowed. His ears twitched. Then I will have to kill him myself. Her eyes turned red with madness, like blood on fire. Inuyasha didn't want her to get hurt. He was worried. What the fuck's Kagome? Again, the purpose of the word Inuyasha, like, I don't know, 15 years? 15 to 17 years, I don't fucking know. But what the fuck's Kagome? But he couldn't tell it though. Because he didn't want her to know his feelings for him. So, he's either has feelings for his own damn self, like he should, or Reichu Kaneko only is secretly a dude. Or a hermaphrodite. Well, that would have been fun. But nope. Please, he said, don't go. He'll kill you. He looked on bravely. I'll be fine. No. That night, he went home. Denmark was sitting on the couch next to the fire. Why the fuck a couch would be anywhere near fireplaces beyond me? He was reading a book intensely. What the fuck is... Hold on for a sec. So what? He was like... He was... What? So, wait. He was like... Oh, hey, Ray. Fuck you. How can you read something intensely? I don't have to like some really good fucking work. I see your home, Ray-kun. The Kun, the honorific Kun is for dudes. Shut the fuck up. Um, yeah, I'm home, Dini-kun, she sighed. I saw you talking to Inuyasha. How? I think he could get a different tutor, like Kagome of Germany. Speaking of Germany, what the fuck is Germany? They're both so good with wars and fighting. Uh, Germany lost a few wars. Germany did lose a few wars, you know. Well, and I think a few of them Germany did start. Uh, why are you so shallow? You don't have to be. I swear, I never cheat on you. I love you. Well, eyes told each other that something was wrong, but they both ignored it. Not even going to comment on that. They decided to go to bed instead of saying anything. Why? The cuddling together. The cuddling together and did some other stuff. Then they fell asleep. And as they slept, their father was watching. God fucking damn it. Inuyasha is owned and created by... I'm gonna fucking butcher this name. Rumiki Takahashi. I'm gonna fucking kill someone. Well, it was part... That's chapter 2. I'm gonna fucking hang someone. Come back next time, night with chapter 3. Fuck my life.